Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Differential equations are fast if you separate variables correctly. We will solve this initial value problem and find the right function in seconds. Let's go. Start by moving all y terms to the left and x terms to the right. We divide by y minus 2 and multiply by dx to get the variables fully separated. Integrate both sides now. The left becomes the natural log of the absolute value of y minus 2, while the right side integrates simply to x squared over 2 plus c. Exponentiate to solve for y, then substitute 2, 3. This shows the constant is e to the negative 2, leading to option B. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check every step carefully.